Hi guys, it's Josh. In today's video, we're going to talk about a Cato Digital Experience Monitoring use case, overcoming poor hotel Wi-Fi in a critical situation. So let's introduce our main character, Laggy Larry. So Laggy Larry has a critical presentation to give to these key prospects at a regional hotel, and he has to be able to give it in a timely manner. So he's frustrated because he can't get on in the network to access those critical assets. Something's going on in the infrastructure. He's really frustrated because he can't access the presentations and other things he needs. So he gets on the phone to his help desk and he says, "Hey guys, I need some help. There's some trouble happening here and I'm really frustrated." All right, let's see if we can help Laggy Larry by using Cato's Digital Experience Monitoring tool. Let's see if we can help Laggy Larry. Let's go to the Cato management application and click Experience Monitoring. I can see that my sites are running well. I know Larry's a remote user because he was having some issues at a remote site. Let's click Remote Users. Let's find Laggy Larry here. So there's Laggy Larry, and I can see that his experience is fair, and he's got some high time to first byte, and it looks like he's actually going and downloading and uploading quite a bit. So let's click on Laggy Larry. That'll give me all the details associated with just Laggy Larry. I can look at his experience score. Okay, it's fair. So that's telling me that there's something going on here. I got user connection details up here of what POP he's connected to. Here's Laggy Larry laptop, the client version, the IPs, so I can get some details about Laggy Larry's connection. Now let's scroll down a little bit. I can see his device hardware. So his CPU and memory are looking good. The Wi-Fi is having issues. Okay, so that's giving me a red flag there. And then I can go further and say the LAN gateway, the last mile, and the applications are having issues as well. That could be associated with the Wi-Fi, drop packets, time to first byte, could be causing slowness all the way up the application delivery chain. Let's dig a little deeper into Laggy Larry's Wi-Fi. All right, so I click on Wi-Fi here and I can see each of the individual Wi-Fi connections that Laggy Larry's made. Okay, so Laggy Larry, it looks like he initially connected to, what's this one here? The hotel Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's interesting. He's on the hotel Wi-Fi, and this is in fair. So he's in that fair, and that would cause that to go yellow. So that was the initial one that he was connected to. And then he started to switch to another one to see if he could make it a little bit better. And then it looks like he got onto the conference room Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's good. So he's trying to make some improvements there. Then he called into the help desk because he was having lots of problems, right? So because he was having the slowness, he didn't know whether it was the Wi-Fi or the applications, but he couldn't give the presentation he needed. So let's take a step back and see if we move forward in time, how did the help desk resolve this? So let's move forward in time and take a look maybe at the last hour or so. And I can see that, hey, we're looking pretty good here. So let's see what differences and improvements he's made. So Laggy Larry is now in good. He's still on the same laptop. All right, so the device hardware is looking good. That Wi-Fi, oh, he moved to the hotel conference high-speed Wi-Fi. That was one of the recommendations that the help desk gave him. So see if you can find the premier Wi-Fi or an exclusive Wi-Fi that might not be as saturated as the Wi-Fi you were on for giving a critical presentation. So that's excellent that he did that. And it looks like we have improvement in the last mile. And so that went to good, and overall in all the applications. So we're going to see that we saw a marked improvement because the Wi-Fi and the network throughput went better on the actual application experience. So this is really powerful. We were able to see and understand and make recommendations for Laggy Larry to move to a different Wi-Fi hotspot, and that improved all the other pieces of Laggy Larry's connection on the applications in the last mile as well. All right, guys, thanks so much. So in summary, we talked about a Cato DEM use case around hotel slow Wi-Fi. We introduced Laggy Larry and his inability to connect to critical assets during a key presentation. We talked about the Cato DEM user experience, looking at Laggy Larry's user experience and identifying that Wi-Fi is slow. Then we also understood the root cause of his connection issues and offered a resolution to those. Thanks so much, guys.